Exercise is the secret weapon that can improve your life. Follow along as we explore this journey in detail. It's not just about feeling great, but it helps you lose stress and become mentally sharper. Exercise and diet are the key to improve your overall body. Hello, Chef here. So today I'm touching on some superfoods, foods you should be enjoying in your diet, maybe a little more than you are. There's all kinds of them, and I just want to go over just a few things here. Sweet potatoes, super good for you, super high in antioxidants, vitamins, and nutrients. Oh yeah, the little ones taste really good. Onions, of course, red onions, yellow onions. You use them, you like them. The taste is amazing. Combine them to so many different recipes. Onions are great for you. Bananas. It's a good idea to buy some that are usually more ripe, and usually some of the green ones a little less ripe. Bananas are awesome. Apples. Apple a day keeps the doctor away. This is true. I have known several people to live 100 years or longer eating apples every day. Pretty cool. Garlic. Definite superfood. You should be eating a lot of garlic. Also wards off mosquitoes and vampires, so they say. Ooh, yeah, garlic. In this video, I wanted to touch on dates a little bit too. Dates are really good. They're really sweet. They're a superfood. You want to select these dates that are nice and soft and juicy. Large dates like this, really, really nice. I like them. On another note, we should talk about just how good dates are for you, and the quality varies greatly, and there's a lot of products out there too, but these ones here are from California, and they're the giant sun dates. Love them. 2 dates, 110 calories, 8% of your vitamin A, 8% of your vitamin C, some iron, some potassium, some carbs, some fiber, a little bit of sugar, but it's nature sugar. This is really, really a good superfood. So with that, I'm going to let you go. I'll be back with some more superfood tips. Eat these foods: watermelon, fresh strawberries, fruits, vegetables every day. Oh, yes. Open your mind. Healthy whole foods. Avoid the junk foods. Follow the Mediterranean food pyramid. blueberries. I like it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without a juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5 inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks, buy the best the first time, save money. oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,